if you see how this window is beating up water, some folks might mistake that for a hydrophobic coating, which it is not. Now, this is depending on which slip solution I use, you see how this is, like I say, it's beating up. This is another type slip solution. You spray it on there, it doesn't bead. So it's not a hydrophobic coating. A lot of times those are mistaken for how your slip solution acts. This, you see how this is beating up. And you know, some would say, dismiss that as hydrophobic coating. Well, if it is, I've got the cure for it. This is Dawn Ultra, 2 squirts out of a pump to 1 32-ounce bottle of water. This is my Tent Slime Ultra, 2 squirts in the bottle, and it doesn't have the degreasers to it. So that's what you're seeing here. We spray this on there and rinse that other stuff off. It goes back to beating water again.